So I just received this and I'm going to be reviewing this hippie costume with you. I'm going to be unboxing it. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, this hippie costume comes in a little plastic container like this, and all the accessories and the costume itself is inside this little container. As you can see, I have the pink wig on because we are getting ready to try this costume out. First and foremost, all the accessories are in this little plastic bag, so I will be taking those out. You get a little vest, and then you get the bell-bottom pants. They do have a variety of styles available, different patterns, especially for the pants. They also have different color of the headband, the sunglasses, and the vest itself. But I really liked this color. It really was giving me like that 70s style. As you can see, these are the bottom of the pants. They are bell bottom. They're nice and stretchy. This is the top of the pants. They do have a nice thick elastic band. So this is the top part of the pants. I really like this pattern. So next we have the accessories. I'm going to go ahead and take them out just so we could see what is included in this hippies costume set. Okay, so here we have a cute little pink headband. Take a look, and it's like a rope style headband. So this is the rope, you just tie it around your head, and it has a cute little daisy looking pink flowers. Now this has been in the package, so if you are planning to use it, I would personally lay it out, make sure that the little flowers are nice and extended. Next we have these round pink sunnies. So there's some glasses. They're pink colored. As you can see, they have the gold accent around them. Very nice. And last we have, for accessories, we have these piece earrings, and we also have a piece necklace. So that definitely will add some style to this costume. So let me go ahead and put these on. This definitely puts the whole look together, having these earrings and the necklace. The necklace is a little hard plastic piece, and this is what the necklace looks like. And it does have a lobster clasp. So as you can see, just the accessories alone really add to the look. Last, we have the vest. So this is a pink vest. Super cute. Super cute. As you can see, it has these right here. These dangle on the bottom of the vest. Now, the vest does have these in the front. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and try on the pants now, get the whole look together. I will give you a full overview of what this look looks like, and then I will give you my final thoughts. All right, so check it out. I have the full costume. The only thing I had to add was the shirt underneath, so this is totally up to you, the color that you want. But as you can see, the little vest, the pants, the glasses, the earrings, the necklace, and the headband, it makes the whole look get put together. But honestly, I feel that this is perfect. This costume is available from sizes small all the way up to double XL. If you've been looking for a hippies costume, one that is complete and everything that you need is included, then definitely check this out. Like I mentioned, a lot of patterns are available. So I'll go ahead and leave the link down below so you can check it out for yourself, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.